Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and today I'm here to talk to you about YouTube channels. If you have your own, I have got the tool that you need to be checking out. So my friends, let's get cracking. Alright friends, so I have got more than 2,000 videos that I've created, and there are a lot of steps to making any video and putting it up on YouTube, and my favorite tool by far is TubeBuddy. Alright friends, so TubeBuddy works inside the YouTube studio, but it also has the website where you can get all of these tools here on the left. And today I'm going to take just a moment to show you the usage stats. So I have used the suggested tags almost 4,000 times, the thumbnail generator almost 1,000 times, templates 766, and if you do by time how much I saved, they're estimating that I've got, oh my gosh, 30,000 plus hours of time saved. So most of me wants to say that these numbers are probably spot on, because this whole project for me started when I was trying to add cards and it was so difficult, and I was, why can't you just use cards from other videos? And another YouTuber said, hey, have you checked out TubeBuddy? Man, I hit the link, I installed TubeBuddy, which I recommend to all of you, and they're estimating I saved $600,000 if my time was worth 20 bucks an hour. Now, even if my time was only 2 bucks an hour, 60,000 bucks. Is that a real number? No. But, oh my gosh, the amount of time it saves as I'm making all these videos and pushing them out, it is an incredible feature to add. Now, I purchased the Star license, and with the Star license, you get some sweet membership perks. One perk is TubeBuddy Mobile. It lets you do a lot of the work on the road with your phone. I do not use that a ton. Most of my time is at the desktop. Sweet graphics from Tubers Tools. There are some free ones that you can get. Audio Hero is one of my favorites. You get 250,000 royalty-free music tracks that you can use. Instead of 10 bucks a month, it's free. You get 20 songs per month, and those tracks are yours to use in all your videos until you quit. Now, if you make a video with one of their songs in it, it keeps its rights even after you quit. You just can't continue to use the songs after you do. The rest of these I have not really explored yet, but they are here for you. There's all kinds of things that you can get at a better discount because you have paid for your TubeBuddy subscription. If you've never seen this before, let me show you what it looks like when you're editing a video. If I hit edit on this, right here is the magic TubeBuddy menu. They are also scattered throughout, but this is how I apply a template for cards, end screen. I could publish it to Facebook. I can use SEO Studio, and I haven't done this on this one yet. Alright, so this helps us build searchable tags in the title and description. So I'm going to type in F11 drone because that's what this is about. And when I hit start, it goes through and checks to see if I have those words in here. Now it's going to give me a hit because I don't say the word drone anywhere up here. So I'm actually going to go back and I'm going to restart that with SJRC, and then I'm going to do F11 because I actually have those words in the title and the description. So it spots them, double checks, makes sure it's in the first 60 words, makes sure it's naturally in there, and then it double checks to see if I have any partial matches. Now I don't, so I'm going to type love the long flight time with the F11. And because I did that, it will click in on this. I'm going to type in, let's see if we can put an SRCC, or maybe if we just press enter and back. Alright, so there, by backspacing, we're able to get that partial match. When we go to next, it checks our keywords. Now, I added a bunch already, but we could have added the tag limit. And also right now it's telling us, hey, let's put the exact one at the front. Bam, there, that was added. When we do next, it double checks our thumbnail, which I like mine. And then boom, we can hit apply to video. Now, once you're done with this button, which it takes a few minutes for it to go through, when you hit save, whenever anybody does a search on YouTube or Google or somewhere else, you have got optimized tags, so there's a better chance that they find your video. Because my friends, that's why we're doing this, is because we want to share what we know. So right here I'm going to close this, and then don't forget, when you're done, always hit save so that you lock it in place. Alrighty friends, so I hope you found that useful. There will be a link in the description so that you can install TubeBuddy yourself. And of course friends, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a like. If you have a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.